This is a L-shaped electric standing desk. So it is having three legs, which provides a L-shape, that kind of shape, and it provides a kind of balance. So when it comes to the weightlifting capacity, it can take 150 kg, and from the floor it is very low. Even a small child can sit and work. So the height, the lowest height from the floor is 62 centimeter, including the tabletop thickness, which is 2.5 centimeter, which we have put. So it becomes 64.5 in this case, but however, in the display it will show 62 centimeter. So when I talk about the display panels, this has a up and down buttons, 3 memory positions, then time reminder options. So with the 3 memory positions, you can preset your favorite positions. So when it goes to the height, the highest height is 128 centimeter. From there, which is 66 centimeter adjustment range, including the tabletop thickness becomes 130.5 centimeter. So when it comes to the, this is a 3 stages, 1, 2, 3. In the column, it's 3 stages. That is the one which provides a kind of sturdiness as well as a kind of height adjustment range. So when we talk about the feet is very, very sturdy. It is like manufactured with the higher end manufacturing. It provides a kind of so much of sturdiness to the product. And a lot of times what you get in the market is you will get a hollow feet with the plastic cap on it. So when we talk about the tabletop colors, so we provide 4 different colors and 4 different, various sizes. Like as per the customers, as per your requirement, we can provide you the customized tabletop size. So the range would be 4 feet to 6 feet. L shape, you can have either left hand side or right hand side. Both the ways you can have the L shape. So we have been in the industry for 6 years, and we work with a lot of multinational organizations. And the product quality of the product will be extremely good. The same product which you get in US or UK or Europe, you will get the same product from us. And so in terms of the product thickness, which is sheet metal thickness, it is used much higher. Basically the material quality will be far higher comparing others.